Hi there, this is Saurabh and in today's video we're gonna be doing a full review of this portable Bluetooth speaker by iTech, which is this iTech Sound Logic Powerhouse. And talking about the specifications, it packs a lot of features like it has multicolored LEDs and it has two 50 watt driver units. And talking about different specifications, it also has USB SD inputs as well as a micro SD card reader, as and also it has an input for a karaoke microphone. I would give you a physical overview of this speaker. Over here, as you all can see, we do get this input for mic. This is your on off switch. This is the micro USB port which is used for charging, and this is the LED light. All these are all the track skipping buttons. This is the play and pause button, and this is the mode switching button, which helps to change, which helps to toggle up between auxiliary mode, Bluetooth mode, or as and FM mode. And this is the aux input. And as I mentioned, it also has a USB full size USB input over here, and an SD card reader. And talking about the pricing, I purchased it from an electronics outlet called Vijay Sales in Mumbai for around 10,000 rupees. And for 10,000 rupees, it also includes very compact features. And talking about this speaker, the portability of this speaker is just a gimmick. It's not that as portable as other Bluetooth speakers because of its size. As you all can see, it's quite big. I would say it's quite big, so it's not that portable as expected. And talking about the sound quality, it's actually pretty loud. I would show you in some minutes. And as you all can see, these are the LED lights over here, which also creates some sort of a party type of ambience. And guys, as you all can see, the sound indicates that the speaker is paired, and I've paired it with my Samsung Galaxy J7. And the main reason to purchase this device is that I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and the speaker quality in some of the different company tablets as well as some Samsung devices are not that are not that loud. So that is the main reason I purchased it. And I would show you the sound output by playing some copyright free tracks. Just a second. Just a second. about the size of the speaker, it's almost half the size of a guitar. If you compare it side by side, it's almost half the size, and the height is almost half of a guitar. And talking about the specifications, as I mentioned, it also has FM mode and other stuff. And and talking about the cons, there are some cons like whenever I whenever I pause the music, I have noticed that the sound on the speaker tries to the sound on this speaker. It's some sort of a crackling type of sound that comes whenever I pause the music. It is not it's not that possible to notice it in this video, but mostly when I have used, I have noticed this thing. And talking about the portability, as I mentioned, it's not that portable. You can't take it anywhere just casually. But yeah, one thing to notice that it has a wired karaoke microphone. I have kept it over here. This is the mic. This is the microphone over here, which is included inside the box. And the microphone quality is also actually pretty good. I would say the sound output when I connected it with this speaker, I have noticed that the sound does not crackle at that time, and the sound output is also actually pretty good. But it's not a wireless one. You need to use this adapter. You need to use this adapter, which is included inside this adapter, which is included inside the box, to connect it with this speaker. And here is that input for this. As you all can see, here is that input. And talking about the placements, you can place it like this, horizontally or vertically on a flat surface. And over here at the bottom, we do get these rubber pads, so that it does not slip. It does not means it's not able to slip off on any on a very smooth surface as well. And other talking about the connectivity also, this speaker, you can also connect it with other devices, like you can connect it with Apple devices or other Bluetooth devices as well. And talking about other cons as well, it's quite heavy, I would say. And talking about the sound output, it's actually pretty loud. Mostly I'm using it only at 50% volume only, because it's adequately pretty loud. And it might it might damage your ears if you use it at an extreme loud volume. Mostly I would say it's actually pretty good for using it in some parties, I would say. This is actually pretty great, because because of these LED lights. All these LED lights over here look actually pretty cool. And talking about the sound quality, I would rate it 9 out of 10, because it has heavy bass. And as I mentioned, one con over here is that the sound crackles music is not whenever I pause the music. I've noticed this thing, but still it's actually pretty good considering other specs, like it has built-in FM radio and stuff. And if you are planning it to purchase it, as I mentioned, I have purchased it from an electronics outlet called Vijay Sales in Mumbai. I have purchased it offline. It's not available in any online market. I have searched about it. And if you are and talking about other concept, does not have any inline microphone means, no, I'm not talking about this mic. I'm talking about a primary microphone due to which you can use it to take calls. But that's not the case in this speaker. We don't get any microphone over here, due to which we can't take any calls with this speaker. That was a major con I have noticed. And talking about other stuff, it's actually pretty good, I would say. So guys, that's it for now for the review of this speaker by iTech. If you do end up liking what you see here, then please hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel. This is Saurabh, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys.